welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very beautiful pattern hat. Make a slip knot and chaining 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I made 68 chains in here. Measure these chains on your head. If you want to crochet larger hat, add more chains on these foundation chains. You have your foundation chain work, being careful not to twist the chain. Insert your hook into first chain. Join two chains together, yarn over and slip stitch. Make 1 2 chains, yarn over, go to first chain, pull up yarn over, pull through together, yarn over, pull through together. Make 1 double crochet, yarn over, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over, go to next chain, pull through, make 1 double crochet, make 1 double crochet in each stitch. Like this and continue. Make a 1 double crochet in each chain, go to this chain, top of first stitch, slip stitch like this. Make 1 2 chains, yarn over, take this stitch, 1 stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet, yarn over, go to back of this stitch like this, take this stitch from back, hold on your hook and make 1 double crochet like this, yarn over, take this stitch, make 1 double crochet, yarn over, take this stitch from back and make 1 double crochet, make 1 double crochet in each stitch. Like this. Yarn over, take this stitch on your hook, yarn over, take this stitch from back and continue like this. Crochet last stitch, from back loop, slip stitch, make 1 2 chains, yarn over, take this stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet, take this stitch from back, crochet from back, make 1 double crochet, take this stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet, and continue like this. I crocheted 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 row. After 7 rows, slip stitch, make 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, go to first stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, skip 1 2 stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, skip 1 2 stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, skip 1 2 stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and continue like this for this round. Skip 2 stitch, go to next stitch, 1 2 3, finish this row like this, go to first stitch, slip stitch, turn the work like this, crochet from back of work, make 1 2 chains, yarn over, insert your hook from back to front of work like this, take this stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet, insert your hook into this stitch, take this stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet. Now we have 3 stitch on this stitch. First stitch of these stitches, go to this stitch like this, yarn over, insert your hook from back of work, take this stitch, first stitch of these 3 stitches on your hook, and make 1 double crochet, continue like this, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet on 1 stitch, crochet 3 stitch on this first stitch, 3 stitch on these stitches like this. Take this stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet on 1 stitch on this first stitch, and continue like this. This is back of work. This side, front of work. Crochet 7 second row from back of work. Crochet this row like this. Go to first stitch, slip stitch, slip stitch, make a chain, yarn over, go to this hole from back, take first stitch, make 3 double crochet like this. Go to this stitch, insert your hook from back, take this stitch on your hook and continue. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. This is back of work. And continue. A slip stitch after these rows. Make a chain, yarn over, go to first stitch like this, take first stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, skip this second stitch, go to this stitch like this, skip this stitch, continue from here. Three double crochet, skip this stitch, go to next stitch, skip this stitch, go to next stitch, like this, and continue for this round. After this round, a slip stitch, make a chain same as before rows, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, skip this stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, skip next stitch, go to this stitch, skip next stitch, this stitch, slip stitch, and crochet and continue same as before row. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, skip this stitch, go to next stitch, slip stitch,